Hi, I'm Rebecca Bartoli, Executive Director of the Karen Toffler Charitable Trust. Before my current role, and for many years, I was Mr. and Mrs. Toffler's personal assistant, and in their last days, their primary caregiver. Needless to say, the Toffler's legacy and the Karen Toffler Charitable Trust hold dear to my heart. Alvin and Heidi Toffler were visionary thinkers and renowned authors and futurists. They dedicated their lives to understanding and shaping the future of our rapidly changing world. They challenged conventional thinking and proposed that one must look deeper at the connections being made across vast topics and issues to truly understand the changes happening and its impact. Through their many books and speeches, they connected with people, human to human, to share ideas, to learn, and to champion future-focused consciousness. To honor the Tofflers' legacy and continue their mission, the Karen Toffler Charitable Trust was established. Named in honor of their daughter Karen, the Karen Toffler Charitable Trust is a nonprofit organization working to revolutionize medical research, education, and technology. Our focus: young investigators conducting early stage research that explores new avenues for creating medical knowledge.
More and more economic wealth is created by knowledge, by the application of knowledge. And we have, and that knowledge is not just geek knowledge. It's also knowledge of medicine, knowledge of how to manage, knowledge of 1,000 different things. But we are dependent on knowledge which is intangible.
Since 2016, the Karen Toffler Charitable Trust has been a partner and source of support for medical research institutions and individuals working to solve humanity's greatest needs with cutting edge and emerging ideas and science. By focusing on providing funding and a network for future-focused approaches, often considered too early and high risk for traditional channels, we are driving forward not only meaningful solutions, but the community of those who have the potential to create them for years to come. One of the most impactful ways the Karen Toffler Charitable Trust fulfills its mission is through our Toffler Scholar Program. Through partnerships with leading universities, the Toffler Scholar Program supports promising young medical researchers, physicians, and scientists who are at a pivotal point in their careers. With necessary early stage funding and a vital, relevant network, recipients have the resources they need to launch their groundbreaking work and develop into experienced professionals.
There's a lot. The great thing about it is that we have so many ideas that we want to test, and going to funding agencies like the NIH. Well, the NIH is very they of course fund a lot of projects, but they're very risk averse. So if there's something that you want to do that's a little bit risky, it's pretty difficult to get funding.
So we're studying dopamine in the immune system. And this is a very, very new area. There's probably only 3 other people in the world who've been doing this. And so this field is only about 6 years old. So it's a baby field. And most of us, all of us here at UF and most other big institutions are dependent on government grants, so NIH funding. And it has been really, really, really difficult to persuade the people who review these grants that what we're studying in the peripheral immune system actually means what we think it means.
I think the most important thing is that I really want to help people in my lab, like young investigators, to do things that are a little bit more risky. And it's not as easy to get NIH funding for, and there are some projects that I know they have in mind and I'm working with them on it, but we are not funded for them. So they will eventually apply for grants of their own.
Funding like this is a huge benefit because it allows you to take those sort of the high risk, high reward chances.
The Karen Toffler Charitable Trust continues to honor Alvin and Heidi Toffler's legacy by supporting initiatives that drive positive change and shape a better future for all of us. Through our grants, the Trust empowers organizations and individuals to create a lasting impact on society. To learn more about the Karen Toffler Charitable Trust and how you can get involved or apply for a grant, please visit our website, www.tofflertrust.org, or contact us at the information on your screen. On behalf of the Trust, thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the Toffler's legacy and the incredible work of the Karen Toffler Charitable Trust.